Wanjiku pays for a car on hire purchase in 15 monthly installments. The cash price of the car is 300,000 and the interest rate is 15 per annum. A deposit of Kenya shillings 75,000 is made. Calculate her monthly repayments. So when hire purchase has been included with the interest rate, things like this, there are things you need to know that the principal P is equal to cash price minus deposit. So amount A is equal to hire purchase minus deposit. Very important things you need to know when hire purchase is included with the rate deposit. So and then pays occur on which pays 15 monthly installments. So another trick that is here is that the interest is 15 per annum per year, na yeye analipa pesa per month. Kwa hivyo lazima utafute rate per month. Sawa, so tunatafuta rate per month itakuwa ni 15/100, sawa, times 1 divided by 12. So per month itakuwa 15/1200. That is because we are going to use months. Very important also to note. So now our principal is going to be cash price, which is 300,000 minus deposit, which is 75. That's our deposit, and our deposit is going to be 225000. So our amount is going to be principal, which is 225000 into 1 plus, remember the formula, 1 plus now the rate. The formula is principal is equal to 1 plus amount equal to principal into 1 plus rate over 100 raised to power n. That is the formula. So our rate now per month is 15/1200 raised to then our n is 15 months now, which will give us the amount. And this is now 22,500 times, this one is going to be 1.0125 raised to power 15. This will give us 271,086.60. So this will be the amount paid for 15 months. So 15 months, this is the amount that will be paid. 15 months is equal to 271,086.60. What about 1 month? Per month atakuwa analipa ngapi? So 1 times 271,086 divided by 15. So per month atakuwa analipa 18,072.40 shillings. That is the amount Wanjiku will pay per month. Ungeulizwa calculate the hire purchase. If you are asked to calculate the amount, the hire purchase I've given you, it is the amount is equal hire purchase minus deposit. So now the amount, what we have here is the amount. Kama uliulizwa hire purchase, it is this amount plus the deposit. Sawa sawa, hire purchase, it is the amount plus the deposit. Tuwache nikupe hiyo formula. Hire purchase is equal to amount plus deposit. So thank you, very important. Mbaka bought some plots at Kenya shilling this. The value of each plot appreciated, and write that at the rate of 10 per annum. Calculate the value of the plot after 2. So to appreciate, we use amount is equal to P principal into 1 plus R over 100 raised to power n. Depreciate, we subtract here. For depreciation, you use principal into 1 minus R over 100. Depreciate, you use this formula minus. But if it is appreciation, you use this one. So our principal yenye ilinunua ni kwa 4 million into 1 plus the rate is 10 over 100. After 2 years, our n is 2. This is 4 million times 1.21. And this one is 48 for ilikuwa 400,000, sorry. Ilikuwa 400, not 4 million. 1, 2, 3, 4. 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ilikuwa 400. 400. So after 2 years, this is the amount of that plot. After some time, T, the value of the plot was 558,400,000. Find T to the nearest amount. So we have been given the amount. Amount equal to principal into 1 plus R over raised to power n. But we have been given amount which is 55,400, which is equal to the principal 400,000 into 1 plus the rate 10 over 100 raised to power n. Now we are looking for the time t. Time is t. So to get that, we divide by 400 here, both sides. This goes. Now this divided by this will give us 1.396 is equal to this divided by this is 0.1. 0.1 plus this is 1.1, so 1.1 raised to power t. Now you introduce the logs so that we have this. So log 1.396 is equal to t log 1.1. I hope you know how to use the logs. Now to get the t, it is you divide by log 1.1 both sides. So log 1.396 divided by log 1.1. And this one will give us t equal to 3.5002662. So t equal to 3 years and 6 months. Tumeweka 6 months kwa sababu iko 5 months na something, some days. So yeah, there is some days here. So we round off like we were told nearest a month. So it is 3 years, 6 months. Mbaka sold all the plots he had bought after 4 years for Kenya shillings. That is the total amount he sold. Find the percentage profit Mbaka made correct to 2 decimal places. So what we don't know is how many plots Mbaka had. So you say let the number of plots be y. So if the number of plots is y, we know he was selling one plot 400,000. So all of the plots will be Kenya shillings 400,000 times y. So we will have 400,000 y. That is the principal now he has. So amount, we have amount is 2229 28 200 will be equal to the principal 400 y into 1 plus 10 over 10 over raised to power 4. It is 4 years. Yes, so this one will be the same as this is 1.1. So 1 point, that is 400 y times hii itakuwa 1.1 raised to power 4 is equal to 28 200. So next one now, raise this to power 4. So to raise that one to power 4, you just press 1.1 raised to power 4. You get the answer, and then you multiply times 4. So we'll have here 58,56440 x y is equal to 28 200. So we want y, we divide by 58 5640 58 5640. So y is equal to 5. So he had 5 rods. The number of rods were 5. So if 1 is equal to 4 million, then 5 times 400,000, sorry, it will give us 2 million. So this is the amount is spent buying price. So he sold this one, so we can now get the profit. So profit is equal to this minus this 29 28 200 minus 2 million, and that one would give us 92 82 200. So this is the profit in the cash shillings. So percentage profit is equal to profit divided by buying price, original price, times 100, which is 92 8220 divided by 2 million times 100, and that one gives us 46.41%.